Y'all, today's roleplay is called Winter Storm. Oh, it's morning. And then after breakfast, they're not sleeping. They are not sleeping. Okay. We need to get our stuff. I heard it's gonna be bad and houses will be damaged. Oh. I got it. I got it. Pretend he's just tired, not talk, because it's obviously a storm, not pain. Go save yourself. Yeah. Oh. Anyway. Put it on it. Oh, it's close to town, so. And then they jump off. Jump off. Jump off. Y'all, do you like Lexi's outfit? Come on, up. Wow, they really are eating. But a glitch was happening. I actually thought there was a glitch. Okay, and all of their family came. This is... Oh, here's the other grandparents, not the main ones. It's the dad's parents. It's Aunt Donna, Aunt Charlie. Rachel's behind. Who cares? Hurry! Oh, and then she slides down and then. Oh, there's Rachel. Eh. Oh, it's fine. Pretend the person like. The person who was in charge. Security guard. Oh, what? Yeah, I know. I'm the one in charge of this, and then just starts walking and talking. Oh. Oh, let's go. And then accidentally walks. We have a big family, by the way. Oh, no problem. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, ching. Yeah, that all. And then my old Kate was saying, no! No. Oh, Kate is right. After Lexi said, oh, thanks, guys. Thanks, guys, for the support and stuff. Thank you, guys, so much. Oh, pretend that ain't happening. Leo, are you having trouble? Bang, bang, bang. Yeah, that's the best option. Obviously. I ain't responding to that. What about me? What about me? What about me? And then, just in time. Just in... Oh, you're really fast. Just yeah. Put all your items in the chest. Yeah, no. This is the only item. So put them up there. Jeez. I think all of us are crowded in this tiny little room. My old knocking over the paint. Pretend she's holding it in both hands. Day one of about going to die. Of going to die. Yay! So we're in this, and then this small cabin. Yeah. Okay, this is the best scenario. We could have been here. Sarina, darling, don't be dramatic. Yay, we are going to... That's all. And then pretend everybody's asleep. I'm too lazy. Too lazy, yeah. This. Except the person who has to watch at all times. Bang, bang, bang. Oh. And then all of the reds. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Yeah. You obviously have to put this stuff. Hold up, guys. Yeah. And then rips open. That's their pet, actually. Like, and then rips the like emergency stuff. Womp womp for the Martinez. Womp womp. Okay. Never do that. Sorry about our cat. It's fine. That's her cat, by the way, for your information. Is she in the... Oh my. Ma'am, I suggest you don't do anything. Okay. I'm going to tie all of you up so you can't breathe. And then all of the people were in the circle. Great. And then, great, I'll take that baby. Now get in the circle right now. Ma'am, is this your child? Yes. And then, okay. Get it. We don't want. And I told you this is. Yeah. Sir, I think you forgot to take your meds. And then. Alright. And then takes them. Sorry guys. And then boom, 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 boom. Sorry, man. Oh, whatever. Go. Bing, bing, bing. No, he did not descend right now. He went up the finger. Yay! The snowstorm onto it. Isn't what? See, Serena, I told you we weren't gonna be stuck here. Whatever, Charlie. Well, I think this is the end of the video.